the rules and all combination of Pusoy Gay.
First is Zich. The card is no pair, different number, and incomplete power. Mao ni siya ang lain-lain nga cards, hindi alas ra ang kinadak-an. Next is one pair. The combinations are only one pair. Sa imong arrangements, isa ra ang pares sa 5 ka cards. Pwede po na siya sa tulo ibutang ang one pair. Next is two pairs. The combinations are two pairs. Sa 5 ka cards, duha ang kapares. Ang isa bisan unsa na. Next is three of a kind. The 3 cards are same number, but 2 cards are not pair. Next is straight. The 5 cards are consecutive number but did not same flower. Magkasunod ni siya, mao ni ang straight. Next is flush or flushes. The 5 cards are same flowers and whatever any number. Bisan unsa nga number basta kapares og bulak. Next is full house. The 3 cards are same number and one pair. Mao ni siya ang tulo ka kapareha nga number og isa ka pares. Next is 4 of a kind or quadro. The 4 cards are same number. Mao ni siya ang kompleto nga number ang upat. Then ang kapares bisan unsa na. Last combination is straight flushes. The 5 cards are consecutive number and same flowers. Mao ni siya ang sunod nga number dayon kaparehas og bulak. Four player will play it and 13 cards each player. If one card is missing, one player automatic may steal. And last, the third layer is a strong combination of 3 layers. And the second layer must strong combination in first layer. If you mistake the combination, you are mid set.